When this girl poured her water, it went upward. This is not just a normal dam. It looks like a glitch in the Matrix, but there's a powerful secret behind this. The massive structure of the Hoover Dam creates a vertical wind tunnel effect. As air hits the curved wall, it's forced straight up at incredible speeds. This upward draft is so strong that it literally catches the water mid-air. Instead of falling hundreds of feet down, the liquid is carried back to the sky. It's one of the only places on Earth where you can witness gravity being defeated. Would you be brave enough to look over the edge and try this yourself?